if your director mode is not showing on your Snapchat app. Now, this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, you can close the Snapchat application. Now, just try to open it. So, this is my Snapchat app. You can see, open it just like so. Now, after opening the Snapchat app, what you need to do, just select here on the camera. Then on select on the camera, you'll see the drop down menu here. So click on the drop down menu. As you can see here is the director mode. Now, if you don't see the director mode after clicking this drop down menu here from the camera, I'll just do this. Go to the Play Store or App Store. Now search here for Snapchat. Now, if you see an option to update application, make sure to update your Snapchat application to the latest version. So select here update. Wait for the update to finish. Also finish the updating, open the Snapchat. Tap here on the camera. Then click the drop down menu and check if the director mode is still not appearing. If you don't see still the director mode, now just tap on your settings. If on Android, on the settings, scroll down, tap on apps. Now scroll down, look for Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat, then scroll down, tap on storage, and make sure to clear the app cache. After clearing the app cache, close all applications, then try to relaunch the Snapchat app, and this should fix the issue for the director mode appearing. So you can come here to the camera, then click the drop down menu, and you should see the director mode here on this section.